In today's video, I am going to teach you how to continue watching YouTube videos while using other apps. By the end, you will have a small floating video window on your screen, so you can keep watching while checking messages, browsing the web, or doing anything else on your phone. We will start by making sure your device allows YouTube to use picture-in-picture, often called PIP. This is an Android feature that shrinks a video into a small window when you leave the app. Open your Android settings, scroll down and open Privacy. Inside Privacy, look for Special Permissions. Next, open Picture-in-Picture. You should now see a list of apps that can use this feature. Scroll down until you find YouTube, tap it, and select Allow. That's the key switch that lets YouTube keep playing in a small window when you go back to your home screen. Menu names can vary slightly by device and Android version, but the path is the same idea. Privacy, then Special Permissions, then Picture-in-Picture, then YouTube, and choose Allow. If you don't see the exact wording, you are likely in the right place, as long as you are in the Picture-in-Picture section. Once that permission is set, open the YouTube app normally. Play any video you want. With the video playing, press the home button on your device. In a moment, you should see a small window appear on your screen with your video still playing. That's Picture-in-Picture in action. You can now switch to other apps, check your calendar, reply to messages, or browse the web while the video continues. If the small window doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load. Also remember that availability can depend on your device, your region, and your app version. Keeping your phone and apps reasonably up to date helps ensure features like this work smoothly. If your menus look slightly different earlier, that's normal across different Android skins. The essential step is allowing YouTube to use picture-in-picture in settings. From here, just enjoy the convenience. Keep listening to a tutorial while taking notes. Follow a recipe while checking a shopping list, or stay on top of the news while handling email. When you are done, head back to YouTube to continue watching in full screen, or simply pause your video from within YouTube. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.